I don't know what's going on tonight.
Oh my goodness. Well, one of my most favorite things on the Lock and Lock collection is the Tritan construction, and that's what we're talking right now,
Yes.
which is amazing. And we're looking at a set of 4 of the 2-cup Tritan rectangles. So you're gonna get the whole set for $18.99 or 5 easy payments of $3.80. These are our final quantities, and tonight you're saving over $9 to pick up the set of 4 for less than $19 right here. Oh, the colors are right here.
They're right there.
Perfect. Let's talk about them right on over here. So this 4-pack you're seeing is the red. Next to that one is the clear. Ooh, I love the slate in this one. This is so chic.
Gorgeous.
Good stuff there. Here's your denim blue. Then we have it available in the spearmint. There's your coral. Oh, that pairs really nice. Here's your pair.
Fresh for spring, right?
Well, let's talk about what Tritan is.
Okay, let's do this. Let me show you. So it has the air and the elegance of glass, right? Not glass.
Nope.
He's laughing. Without the breakability, it looks like glass. So what's wonderful is that this is made the same material that airplane windshields are made from. So it's virtually indestructible, but even better, it's stain-proof. So you're going to use your Tritan, and you're going to use it for your beets, your berries, your sauces, your marinaras, anything tomato-based, your curries, anything that's oily, anything that stains. Put Tritan to the test.
Well, that's just it. I mean, all of us have those containers of some sort where we have just microwaved leftover spaghetti way too many times.
Say spaghetti?
And then there's just like a hue of orange left over in the container.
No more.
Not
with your Tritan. So I just like to show you, because we talked about the 2-cup size being a true, like it's a Goldilocks size. I feel like it's that perfect size for your leftovers, your meal prep, your portion control. And I think it's deceiving how much two cups is. So I like to put out.
That's a big serving.
Look at that. I mean, that's just, if you're in my house, that's a serving for one with your pasta.
That would be first serving for me.
Now step back, my friend.
Okay,
I've got meatballs with a lot of red sauce here.
Meatballs.
And just because of the night I'm having, I want him to step back. Hey, I'm not too proud to say that I'm having one of those days.
I love it.
There you go. So this is a big portion. So that's your mini meatballs, your pasta. That could be for 2. If it's Steve and myself, that could be for 1. But either way, now this isn't going to stain. You're going to run this through the dishwasher, or you're going to hand wash it, and you're going to love the fact that it is stain proof. And that's why everyone loves Tritan. You ask us to always bring in more Tritan, and we are, because we know you love it. So here you have salsa in this one, because why? It stains. So I show you a lot of times when I show the Tritan things that will typically stain. Then you have your buffalo cauliflower here, that buffalo sauce with that pepper base, of course. You have beets right here, so you could, I love beets. Do you like beets?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, okay. So you have beets in here. Then you have that olive oily medley, right? That is just so tasty.
So good.
Okay, your blackberries, your fruits, your blueberries. Now listen, it's not just for things that stain, obviously. Okay, I just want to be clear about that too. But how about this? If you guys are like my husband Mike, and he hates an onion. Woo, gosh, the poor guy hates an onion.
Really?
Yes, and I love them. You did not smell that before I took the lid off, right?
No.
That's another beautiful thing about being airtight, watertight with our Lock and Lock. You could smell that onion now.
Oh, definitely.
You could put your tuna in here. So the thing about it is the odor will stay in, and it will not take over the refrigerator, right? That's what I love, right? So he'll say, who put the onion in? And it's like, if it's not in a Lock and Lock, somebody does that, and I'm like,
ooh,
I'm sorry. Yeah.
Well, let's go take a look at the colors one last time. Remember, all 4 of these are $18.99 or 5 easy payments of $3.80. Final quantities, we're down to our final 150 in the red. 100 left in that clear. Here is that wonderful, very cool slate. This one is your denim blue, spearmint, coral, and last but not least, that pair. Item K92114 for your set of 4 Tritan. I love that Tritan strength with that one.
Yes.
All righty. We are down to our final item in the show.
I can't believe it.
It always goes so fast with you. You have so much fun.